I have some really cute things that I'm really excited. I'm really excited to put in, and yes, let's get started. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna get into another episode of my living room makeover. We're gonna be working on my desk space. I have some really cute things that I'm really excited. I'm really excited to put in, and yes, let's get started. So it's still a work in progress. This is probably going to be over the next week because I still have some things coming. I am going, so if you watched the last video, you know that I kind of want to change the theme of my place a little bit to be more like colorful, pastel, cottage, fairy core, kind of, just a little taste. It's going to take a little bit of time, but I kind of finished my last little thing, my last makeover of my nail products, and I'm ready to tackle the living room. So let's get into it. Okay, so just starting with the space now. I reorganized my desk area just so it looks more, put together. So this is what it's looking like. Simple. I have 2 monitors for my job and then 1 laptop. And my desk has a little area right here that has 2 little bins on it currently. And then behind that bin is my printer. But I do want to reorganize that somehow. But we're going to start at the top. I have a few things that have already come in for the desk. So that's what we're gonna be focusing on. So already, let me close this. Already, I know I want to put like a picture or something right there where that green thing is, kind of to cover it, because it has like my wires in it. I was trying to think of like a fun, creative way to cover my wires, and I just put it in the box for now. If you know an idea of how to cover the wires, because they're gonna have to sit on the desk, let me know what you do. I could always use like a different basket or something too, but for now that's what we have. So I'm gonna see if I have a picture right now, even though I might change to put over it, and then we'll see what it looks like. Okay, I recently took down my gallery wall, so I do have some like spare photos sitting around. I definitely don't want this photo in particular over there, but for now I'm gonna put that right there just to see how I like this covering the box. Okay, so it looks kind of cute. It's kind of like a photo hidden behind the monitor. Cool, nothing major. Okay, so the main thing that I am really excited about coming is my pegboard from IKEA, and I'm still trying to decide where I want it. I don't know if I want it on the back wall right here or if I want it on the side wall. And then don't pay the paint. I had my nail supplies nailed to the wall right here, and then like some shelves, but I took them down. So I have some paint from my leasing office to paint over these spots. I just need to get primer first, so those are going to be covered. So I'm trying to decide if I want the pegboard right here or if I want the pegboard right there on this little side wall, or if I want it right here on this side wall. When the pegboard gets here, I will hold it up on both areas so we can see, and I'll see what it looks like on camera and decide. Right now, I think, really I want it on the side, but I think the wall would just look kind of empty if I don't put it on the front. But I think it would be cute because I do want it to be seen. And I feel like if I put it in that corner right there, I am the only one who can really see that if I'm sitting at my desk. So I want it to be seen because it's going to be a cute little staple piece. I'm going to put some pictures on the screen of like what I'm kind of going for. Not exactly that, but just like the vibes of how I want to do mine and what I want on there. But I do have a few things in, so I want to put them on and start organizing. But yeah, I want my pegboard to be super cute, super girly. I want to have like a Labubu on there, my AirPods, my keyboard. I got the cutest keyboard from Five and Below. Let me show you. And I got a few other things from Five and Below that are going to be really cute. I don't know if I'm going to put them on the desk area or if I'm going to put them somewhere else in my living room, but they're cute. Okay, so I'll probably definitely show these more when I decorate my pegboard because I know I want this hanging. But it's just so cute. It was $12 from Five and Below. Like a cute little candy heart keyboard. I almost didn't get this, but I was like, it's cute. And I feel like you don't find these anywhere this cheap. I really love it. I also got this right here. I also got this macaroon candle. It was only $2, so I couldn't. Actually, no, I got this from TJ Maxx. This was from TJ Maxx, like a little macaroon candle. Macaron candle. And then I got this little slice of cake, but you can put a picture, so it's like a little picture holder stand, and that was super cute. I also got this from Five and Below, like a little mat, a little computer mat. Just opening what I got from Amazon, and I will make sure I link everything. I got a little pink stand. I got a little lights, and then I got these from Gobi. They're like little lights that you can put on the back of your TV or computer or whatever, or stand them on your desk. I think I'm gonna put them on the back of my computer, so I'm gonna unbox them and then I'll be back. All right, this is what it looks like all put together. It did not take long at all for me to finish putting it together. I just connected these two pieces with the little pegs, I think they're called. And then I put the legs on with screws. They came like with these pink little dots right here to cover up the screw holes, and I think it looks pretty cute. And then it comes with like some things to put at the bottom. And so yeah, so I'm gonna put that right here, and I can adjust as needed, but super cute. So a little pink bar. Next is open this little light. I want another little desk lamp because the one I had over here was kind of too big for the space. So let's open this and see what it looks like. The lamp is plugged up. It's super cute. I need to figure out more what I want to do with the cord situation because that cord is in the way, but just to show what it looks like, I think it's cute. The only thing I don't like is that I can't set it to one color. So I can have warm light, cool light, and then I can put it on this where it kind of like strobes to different lights. So yeah. And then the last thing is this. I'm not sure if I want to install it, but I definitely want to open it and see what it looks like. So when I was searching for like computer lights or just lighting on desk, this came up a lot on TikTok, and people kept talking about like how good this was. And I watched a few videos before I decided to buy it. Okay, so it opens like this. The two lights, and they're connected. I did see that they were connected by one little string. And then I also know that there's an app that you can get on your phone that can control the music and stuff. So I will get that set up. Okay, these are the stands. These are the stands if you want to just like have them standing up. I don't think I'm going to use those, so I'm not going to unbox them all the way. I think this is the thing to stick them on your computer. I did see people say that they had a problem with theirs falling. So I do think I'm going to go buy extra command strips and just command strip this without taking this off. Put a command strip on here and then attach it to that way. Oh, these are the remote. I think this is the remote control. And you can like command strip this under your desk or whatever. And this is the... Okay, so it does come with a little charger, I think. I don't know. I'm about to read the instructions, figure this out, and then I'll set it up, and I'll be back. Okay, the lights are on. I think it's so cute. I have them set to pink right now, and I decided not to, I didn't mount them. I just put them on I set them right here. So, I like them. I like the way they look. Let's change the color to blue. Let's change this to purple. And then it has like this little color wheel. So you can like really get in there and customize your lights to purple, light blue, dark blue, white. You can just do the color wheel. So yeah. So those are all I have right now from Amazon. Like I said, in the next few days, my package from IKEA should be coming. And then I have like a little boo-boo on the way, a little foo-foo on the way, because I want to put that in the pegboard. Yeah, it's gonna be super cute. Okay, it's here. Here basically, which is cute. Like right here. I need to decide if I want to put it on the side or straight in front of me. Comment below what you would have chosen. By the time you see this, I probably would have decided, but this is the tan side. So if you don't want pink, if you're like a pink girl, you can do the tan side. Okay, we're back. I decided to go ahead and put the board on this wall. It just makes sense right now. If I decide to change it, I can always switch it up. One little annoying thing is that the board does not come with screws if you want to screw it to the wall or command strips or anything like that. So I went out and I bought these from Walmart. It holds up to 40 pounds for drywall, plaster, brick, block, whatever. It looks like this. Really, you should probably like have somebody help you and like make sure it's level. I don't really care. I be eyeballing my stuff. So I kind of eyeballed it. And I am going to use the wall anchor. So I'm going to try to fit this in the wall first and then screw this in. Yeah. And what I did was I kind of put the back on the board and then put the nails on there and then like pressed in a little bit. So it left like a little indent. So I see where it's supposed to go. And yeah. Like I said, I'm not a professional. but this is just what works for me. Okay, I take this and I'm just gonna drill the wall a little bit just to make sure that the anchor can fit in there. I'm back, and when I tell you this has been taking me through the ringer, the mounts, I just cannot get the drywall mounts to go in. I had 2 big ass holes right here. I patched them up, painted over them already. I was so frustrated last night. They were getting stuck in the wall. I got drywall in my eye. It was horrible. But I got this idea. I have this picture hanging in my room, and they were like on some hooks. Let me get them. So I was like, why don't I just hang the back of it on the hooks? And that's so much easier for me. That way I don't have to mount anything with a anchor. I could just find a stud and put these in. So these are the picture hangers. I got it from Walmart. They're like less than $2 each. But I got this one that I'm going to use because I have the one already. But it's like a 100-pound picture hanger. And I'm going to use 2. I'm going to place 2 in the drywall stud finders or whatever. And then I think I'm going to hang it right there. I kind of have some tape right there. If you can see the tape where I want it to be at. I think I decided to just put it right here. I think that's what I'm going to go for. If I don't like it, since it's on nails, I can easily fix it. So, I'm going to get this. Nail this to the wall. Very simple. If you can see the nail, you just like place this flat against the wall. And then you hammer the nail down into the the stud. Is it called a stud? Yeah. So, it's pretty simple. I don't say I was going through it last night. I already like pulled my desk out so many times. But I have to pull it out one more time. See, I don't know. That's why I'm like, do I want it right here? All right. Woo! That's what we're working on right now. It's so cute. A lot of pink going on. I definitely want to get like other colors going on. Maybe like more greens and yellows. But I love it. It does look kind of empty on the sides, but I think I want to add like pictures. I know I'm going to add pictures right here. I need to decide what I want to do. Like, should the pictures go like on the side instead? Or is that too much? I was going to put, and not these pictures, I have more pictures on the way. I was going to put 2 like right here. I think I do like that better. To have 2 pictures right here, and then I'll just find something else to decorate that with. But yeah, the board is up. Oh, it took me so much, but try some hooks if you're struggling with a anchor. And then I tried command strips as well. I was like out last night looking. I went to the store, grabbed some command strips. I put like 6 of them on there. Tried to stick them to the wall. They would not stick. So I was like, you know what? I almost had to call for help. But I thought of this and I was like, that's kind of smart. So give some hooks out. If you're struggling, you can just like insert them right into drywall. So you don't need, not drywall, what's it called? Studs. So you don't need anchors, because if you were going to put it in drywall, then you will need anchors. So yeah, I'll be back once the desk is done. Okay, I'm back. As you can see, the area is pretty much wrapped up. I'm waiting on my lafufu to come from AliExpress. I'm waiting on my lafufu to come from AliExpress, but I have most of the things here. I'm excited. I don't know if I last was showing you that I wanted to put it on this wall or that wall, but I decided to put it on this wall. I think it turned out super cute and I love it. So I'm just going to give you like a little tour of what is in the area. Okay, so here's the pegboard. I love it. Just going to start from like a few things that I have on it. I have this little badge holder that I got from Amazon. Not Amazon. This little badge holder that I got from Shein. It's super cute. Let me cover the front. But this is the little badge part. So cute. Then it has like these little frill things on it. And then I already had this little badge holder. But I just hang it on like one of the little hooks right here. Super cute. And then I have this bin up. And that bin is where I keep... This bin is where I keep some notebooks. And I have some pens behind it. I might end up changing it. And yeah, nothing's finalized. So then I have some nails right here. This came from Shein. This is like my Labubu's camera that's going to be on it. But it's not here yet. But I'm going to like, you know, strap it around it. Super cute. This little turtle my friend gave me that says you're turtly awesome. A candle. This little picture frame when I get a picture. And then I just picked these up from Shein as well. Super cute. I wanted to like something cute notebooks to put on here. So that's there. I have a pen holder up with my little highlighters. Another pen holder up with some scissors and some pens. Then in this corner right here, I have 2 long hooks, and that's holding up my keyboard. And then I have a camera right here. I'm probably not gonna leave it because it doesn't really fit, but it's cute. Then I have another little holder right here that has some sticky notes in it. And then I have my AirPods hanging right here. And they're actually on the charger, so it worked out. But yeah, that's it. Super cute. It's super cute. Like I said, it wasn't too bad to put up, but I went through it. First I tried wall anchors, and you probably could do it. I just was struggling for some reason. I've put up anchors before, but these were like the biggest that I put up. Then I tried to do command hooks or command strips. Did not work. They were not stick to the wall. And then, like I said, I ended up using picture frame hangers and hanging it on that, and that is working. Okay. And then I just got these pictures from Shein. One of them I kind of cut weird, or my frame is like weird, but anyway, just showing them. This first one I already had. It just says flower. This one I thought it fit like the office vibe. It says we live on a floating rock. Don't ever think it, girl, because when I'm over here working and they're getting me stressed out, no. And then this one is just some hearts. Some little hearts, super cute. Let's do a little desk tour. I said I'm still working on my desk, so it might change, but just to show you what it looks like. Let me cut everything on. I cut my lights on and set them to purple right now. So let's start with the lights. I got these lights from Amazon. They're the Govee lights. I really like them. There's a phone app that comes with it, so you can use your phone app. You can also control it with the little button that comes with it. It wasn't too bad to set up. I ended up just sitting it behind my computer, so they're not command strip on. But it does come with something for you to use a command strip. Then I got this light right here from Amazon. I like it. The only thing is I wish you could control the light too, but really you can only do warm light, cool light, or you can set it on this mode where it just like shifts to different colors, which is cool. Then I got this phone holder from Shein a few days ago. It was really cheap, so I can sit it right here from watching videos. This little cute pink riser stand I got from Amazon, and it was super quick to put together. I got this candle from TJ Maxx, $2. I'm planning on burning it. I'm not too crazy about the scent, but I plan on burning it and then making a new candle from it, because I do know how to make candles, so I'm going to be doing that with this. And then that's pretty much it for now. I have a little picture frame right there that's kind of like blocking all the cords craziness. I got this little mat from Five and Below, and also the blue keyboard that's on my pegboard is from Five and Below as well. And yeah, I love it. Okay, y'all, so that is my finished little mini office makeover. I am gonna be making over my couch and showing, really it's just really my couch area, and then I already just put up the new gallery wall, but I'm still probably going to be making a few edits because it's not exactly where I want it to be at. But yeah, so make sure you subscribe so you can see that when it does happen. It might take me a while because I have to find the couch that I like and buy it. Couches are expensive. But yeah, if you have more ideas of what I could put on my pegboard that would be super cute, let me know. I will, like I said, it's always going to be a work in progress. I love that I can keep changing it up and having fun with it. And yeah, so bye y'all. See y'all in the next one.